Car say?
Oh, tunnel.
What does your car say when it drives around?
It's a meow.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Show me, what does it say?
Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
What does a monkey say?
Ow.
What does a duck say?
Cock.
What does a pig say?
Oink.
What does a cow say?
No.
What does a horse say?
No.
What does a dinosaur say?
Guard. Scare me.
It scared you?
Yeah.
What does a giraffe say? I don't know either. Do you love the zoo?
Yeah.
What did you see at the zoo?
Monkeys?
You saw monkeys?
Scare me, mate.
The elephant scared you?
Yes.
What else did you see at the zoo?
And more elephants?
You saw elephants?
Yes.
Did you see a giraffe?
Yes, drop. Scare me.
And a tiger?
Tiger scare me.
And what else did you see?
Tiger scare me.
Tiger scared you?
Yeah.
Did you see bears?
The bears.
And zebras?
Scare me.
You're silly.
Scare me.
Tell me one more time what a pig says.
Oink.
What does a duck say?
Quack.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a lion say? What does a horse say?
Hey.
What does a bunny say? What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit? What does Hailey say? What does Hailey say? Say, I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Wave bye to the camera.
Bye, Grandma.